Welcome to our video, where we can learn something together. So, let's dive into it. Hey guys, are you guys familiar with CONIC sections? Well, if not, this video is for you.
A conic section is a curve formed by the intersection of the plane. It has four types: the hyperbola, ellipse, parabola, and circle. But today, we were going to tackle only the circle. A circle is a locus of all points in the plane having the same fixed positive distance called the radius from a fixed point called the center.
So here is the sample object. We have here a pizza. Here is the center. This is the radius. And this is the diameter. And we have here, this is the chord. And then here is the second. And then here is the chord. And this is the closer circumference of a circle.
Circle has three main parts: the radius, diameter, and the circumference. Radius is the distance from center outwards, while the diameter is the one across the circle that passes through the center. And lastly, the circumference, which is the distance around the circle.
Our first problem is center at the point of origin with a radius of 16. First, that we must consider is our center is at the point of origin, which means its coordinates is 0, 0. To solve, we need to use the formula x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And second, we need to substitute the given. X minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 16 squared. Yeah. And third, we need to compute. X minus 0 is x, and squared plus y squared equals 16 squared, which means 256. And that is our standard form. To get the general form, we need to put this here. X squared plus y squared, and then change the sign. Minus 256 is equals to 0. And that is our general form.
For our next example, identify the radius and the center of the equation x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y minus 16 equals 0. So the first step that we're going to do is to arrange the equation. So basically the first step is we're just going to put together the same variables, such as x squared plus 4x is together, plus y squared minus 8y is also together, minus 16 equals 0. So that is the first step. And for our second step, we're going to express the equation earlier into standard form. So the standard form of that equation is x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 8y equals 16. So notice that I put the 16 earlier into the right side of the equal sign. For our third step, we're going to complete the square for x and y. So what I did here is I put a parenthesis in between x squared plus 4x, and notice that there is a 4 here. I got that by dividing 4 into 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. And I did the same thing here at y squared minus 8y. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So the numbers here, we're going to add them here at the right side of the equal sign. And that is our third step. And for our last step, factoring. So the answer that we got here is we're going to factor the answers that we got at step 3. So the factor of x squared plus 4x plus 4 is x plus 2 squared. And the factor of y squared minus 8y plus 16 is y minus 4 squared. And 16 plus 4 plus 16 is 36. Now that we have our standard form, we also have the answers that we needed. So the center is negative 2 and 4. So 2 positive 2 will become negative 2. And negative 4 will become 4. And the radius 6 is the square root of 36. So our answer is the center is negative 2 and 4, and our radius is 6.
Thank you for exploring the math behind circles with us. Keep exploring and let the beauty of math inspire you every day.